Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the best foods to have at your Super Bowl party or any other festive gathering throughout the year. But before we dive into the food, let's take a quick look at the history of the Super Bowl. The Super Bowl is the championship game of the National Football League and has been held annually since 1967. The first Super Bowl was played on January 15, 1967 and was between the Green Bay Packers and the Kansas City Chiefs. The Green Bay Packers won the game with a final score of 35-10. The Super Bowl is not just a game, but a massive event in American sports and is one of the most watched television programs globally. The Super Bowl is about the celebration, food, and parties that come along with the big game. Now, without further ado, let's get into our top 10 foods to have at a Super Bowl party. 10. Deviled eggs. Deviled eggs are a classic party food that are easy to make and always a hit. Serve them as a snack or as a side dish. 9. Chili. Chili is a hearty and comforting dish that's perfect for game day. It's easy to make and can be served with a side of cornbread or crackers. Whether you prefer it mild or spicy, it's sure to be a hit at your Super Bowl party. 8. Guacamole and chips. Guacamole is a classic dip made from avocados, lime juice, and spices. Serve it with a side of tortilla chips for dipping. 7. Meatballs. Meatballs are a crowd-pleasing dish that can be made ahead of time and heated up when ready to serve. Serve them with a side of toothpicks for easy snacking. 6. Sliders. Sliders are bite-sized sandwiches that are perfect for a Super Bowl party. 5. Buffalo cauliflower bites. For a healthier alternative to traditional wings, try buffalo cauliflower bites. They're crispy, spicy, and delicious. Serve them with a side of blue cheese dressing for dipping. 4. Desserts. No Super Bowl party is complete without dessert. Consider serving a variety of sweet treats such as cookies, brownies, or cake. 3. Nachos. Nachos are a delicious snack that are perfect for munching on during the game. Top tortilla chips with melted cheese, jalapenos, salsa, and sour cream for a classic nacho experience. 2. Pizza. Pizza is another classic Super Bowl food that is always a crowd pleaser. You can order from your local pizzeria or make your own with your favorite toppings. 1. Chicken wings are a staple of any Super Bowl party and are a must-have on your menu. They're easy to make and can be served with a variety of sauces and seasonings. Serve them with a side of blue cheese or ranch dressing for dipping. And there you have it, our top 10 foods to have at your Super Bowl party. We hope you found this helpful and that you enjoy the game. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite Super Bowl food.
Production.